Well, of course, don't we all listen to music? Almost every day. How many of you specifically listen to English songs from 60s to the 80s? Are there any old music fans? Alright, I see quite a few hands. I personally am a huge fan of those songs, whether it be any genre, romance, rock, metal, anything. And one of the most famous singers from that time, Frank Sinatra, has a really famous song called My Way. And let me tell you, his lyrics are truly thought provoking. And the lyrics are, what is a man and what has he got? That's a shower thought. Think about it. What is a man, as in human? What are we and what do we even have? Is there anything in our possession that lasts till the day we die? And honestly, what is the purpose of life? Why are we over here experiencing all of this? There must be a reason. Have you ever thought of it? Well, people have died thinking, what is a man? People have died giving out these great philosophies regarding life and the purpose of life. One of them is my personal favorite, that is existentialism. And it means that we're basically just thrown out in the world just like that when we're born. And it means that we're expected to create our own meaning, our own purpose of life, not in common with anybody. That's very exciting, honestly. I might think that I was born for singing. Someone else might have met somebody new that they consider so special. It could be anybody, their best friend, their partner, their parent, anyone. And they might have started to think that, yes, I was born for this person. Someone else, on the other hand, might have discovered a new hobby, such as abstract painting. They might have started to think that my hands are the one which create the spark of this painting. I am the one who understands the meaning of this painting in the best way possible. And you know what else they might have started to think? That yes, I was born for abstract painting. Well, these are very small and minute examples of existentialism. Let me tell you the core idea. It means that we're born and we create our own path of life. We plot our own life ahead of us through our actions of will. That is really exciting for me. Apart from this, there comes another philosophy which, if you may have not heard of, you might think it's weird, just a little bit. And that is, my friends, absurdism. The core idea of the man who lived the streets of Algerian France. He was none other than Albert Camus. One of his very popular quotes say that people who focus on finding the meaning of life are never truly happy. And that's true. I personally agree with him. He somewhere intended to say that the universe is silent. It does not answer your prayers right away just like that. Because if that was the case, everybody over here, including me, would get what they had always wanted. Everything. That is definitely not how the world works. And you may say that he was a hater of the universe, or as it seemed, according to his statements. Well, contradicting these both philosophies, there comes another one which might be the weirdest of them all, and that is nihilism. Rejecting all religions, morals, values, principles, everything because apparently life is meaningless. Amongst these heavy philosophies, terms, meanings, and whatnot, we lost Frank Sinatra way back. So let's get back to his lyrics. What is a man? And honestly, this lyric makes me want to question you. So I would just like all of you to answer a few of my questions. First is that, how many of you usually regret the decisions that you make? Alright, I also usually regret the decisions that I make. Second would be that, how many of you usually get back up after failing in something? Alright. And how many of you try over and over again to achieve something? Great majority. So these are the three questions that this song, My Way, indirectly covers. And this song being one of my personal favorites, I would just like to recite a part of that song for all of you. That is, and now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full, I traveled each and every highway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets? I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and saw it through without exemption. I planned each and every charted course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not. To say the words that he truly feels and not the words of the one who kneels. The record shows that I took the blows and finally did it my way. What I've learned is that we don't have a predefined purpose of life. And do you know what that makes us? Human. That makes us human. Because imagine, if we all had a predefined purpose that we were going to live on about, all of us would be machines. Not quite exciting. When talking in just the context of these lyrics, what I would like to say is that you should live life your way. Because you're born for it and you have the willpower, you have the choice, and nobody over here is judging. Because honestly, it's everyone's first time living. And talking in just the context of the title, what is a man and what has he got? It actually raises a question. That is, why do we have an ego? And what do we even have this ego about? Because as I mentioned earlier, there's truly nothing that stays with us till the very end, until the day we die. Because in the end, it's always what is a man and what has he got. Thank you.